Hello.
They are releasing Mike this morning.
Wait, no, they're not going to send him home. I gave them money yesterday,
It
baby.
doesn't matter, John. Listen to me. They are releasing him.
You know, I'll take care of him.
John, you always take care of everything.
I will.
But it's never enough, is it? Now you need to do something. Do you hear me? Do something.
My wife, Denise, says you're going to send Michael home. Is that true?
Mr. Archibald, I'm a physician. I don't make policy decisions. That's handled by the Board of Trustees.
That's it. Send him home.
I've done everything I could do. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah. Just come on,
I'm not asking you anymore, Doctor. I'm telling you, you are going to give my son a new heart. You understand me?
Yes. Yes.